southeastern Webster County in central Iowa, northeastern Greene County in west central Iowa, northwestern Boone County in central Iowa, until 6:45 p.m. At 6:05 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles northeast of Jefferson, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour with gusts and nickel-size hail. Severe weather has been confirmed by law enforcement. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Jefferson, Ogden, Grand Junction, Patton, Vauxhall, Pilot Mound, Fraser, Dana, Beaver, and Jefferson Municipal Airport. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Boone, Greene, and Webster.